So I just want to make a short video, a walk around video of my 1986 Suzuki Samurai. I'm in the process of getting it to run again. It ran great for 2 years after I did a diesel swap. It's a 1980 or 89 VW Jetta diesel, turbo diesel engine. Ran great, beautiful, until one day it decided not to run. So here comes the clip. I hope you enjoy it. This is a little walk around my 1986 Suzuki Samurai with a Volkswagen diesel conversion. It's got a custom transmission mount. It's got a Geo Tracker transmission, 5-speed, spring over conversion, homemade with Jeep leaves, Jeep YJ springs, and the mounts for the springs, custom made shock hoops. Side exit 2-inch exhaust, full size spare, fairly new top, showing the diesel cap, lots of spider webs, hasn't been driven in a while. It's got a problem, doesn't like to start. Full gauges show turbo boost, volts, oil pressure. Charging plug for USB works well. I recommend it. Had to modify the tunnel to put the steering in, or the shifter in. Got off-road lights. There's the diesel conversion. Turbo diesel. It's a 1.6 liter. With a Garrett Type 3 turbo. It's been rewired. Did it myself a couple years back. Got an oil catch can. 2-core radiator. Just recently had the pump rebuilt, injector pump. I thought that was a problem for it not starting. It has not been. It still does not want to start. I can get it started if I use a little bit of WD-40 in the intake. It will kick over and run as if it was fine, but it won't start on its own. It's got a GM alternator conversion, LED headlights, oil cooler, all that. See if we can get it to kick over. Need to connect the battery. Positive first. There we go. Connect the negative. Negative first. See if it'll kick over at all. Go inside. Okay, so I have glow plug switch right here. Hold it for 10 seconds. Roughly that. See if we can get it to kick over. Nope, it's not having it. Like I said, it just doesn't like to go. Try the glow plugs a little bit more. Oops, starting to pull the battery already. I gave it a shot at WD-40. WD-40. What I like to do is just pull this off right here. This is the intake manifold shot. Take W40. Give it a short burst here. Pull it out. Put the hose back on. And now we'll give it a whirl, see if it'll kick over. Try the glow plugs one more time. Maybe it wasn't enough. Give it another short burst. Yeah, I got some in there. It's hard to do this with one hand. More WD-40. Okay. One more time, baby. Let's go. Come on, Samurai. Let's kick it over. Let's see here. I'll hit the glow plug one more time. And go with the key. Come on. There we go. See, it will kick over, but it's got to have that shot. Tachometer is working. Tachometer works off of the alternator with the Dakota digital converter for the signal. Oil pressure is good, showing 14 volts roughly. We don't have any stress on it to give any boost. Definitely running. It's a good runner when it's running. It just requires that boost of WD-40 to kick it over. Not really sure why. So that was just a quick walk around, little quick startup, show you what it takes to get it started. It takes a couple squirts of WD-40 to get that engine to light off. I have started the repairs already. My plans for this build or this video repair episode or series is to kind of go in depth of what it takes for me to change the head gasket. I did a compression test, I did a leak down test. I later found that the leak down test really wasn't telling me what I needed to tell. I had the gauge in the wrong spot, but that's not a problem. I'll still post that video anyway. It's good content, right? Like I said, I'm changing the head gasket and cleaning parts up. Going to get it ready to go. More to follow. I will definitely have more on the processes it takes to get the little car running again. I really enjoy driving it, and I miss driving it. So with that said, I gotta end this video here, and see you in the next one.